Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or hotspot from FashionNova. We click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here is search about the application of emulated. And you click here. In this page you search about FashionNova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your